Hey team, this is Khalif here from YesHello. In this video today, we're going to go through the latest YesHello platform upgrades. So stay tuned. Hi team, okay, welcome. So today we're gonna talk about the latest feature updates in the YesHello platform. I'm sure some of you have seen it already and realized, oh man, there's some changes to the dashboard, there's some changes to the messages features. So that's what we're gonna go through today, a brief one. I'm gonna also link in the video the article where you can go and read more in detail about it. Before we get started, I just wanted to share something exciting with you that just happened. So let me share the screen. We were featured inside isearch.com.my as one of the top 11 softwares in Malaysia. So let me share that with you. All right, give it a sec. Here it is, iSearch featuring 11 business software in Malaysia. So let's have a quick read over here where it says, bringing you the top business software in Malaysia at iSearch. It's a search website for Malaysian software, Malaysian small business, right? So we compile the list of business services to help companies to search for the service that best fits their needs. With over hundreds of software in Malaysia and thousands in the world, we have decided to feature only the top companies that has been proven to deliver quality work and service. View the featured list of companies below and contact the one that you are interested in. So we are one of them. Let me show you. YesHello is right there. Wonderful. Thank you so much, iSearch, for featuring us. It says here, YesHello made for SMEs. YesHello is a cloud software built for customer service teams using WhatsApp. So super excited about this, proud. Thanks so much, iSearch. So let's get back into what we were here to do. So I'm going to open up the article and I'm going to go one by one. And then I'm going to jump into the platform so that you can see it live while I go and click and show you the new features. So if you want to check out the article with all the details, you can click the link below or go to our website, yeshello.chat/blog. This is what it's going to look like. Click on the February 2022 new feature release. Number 1, huge messages module improvements. Okay, here are the big changes for the messaging module. So what is the messages module? So I'll show you if you go to our YesHello platform. The change is, you can see it's a little bit different. There is a thing on the left side here. The inbox is different already. There's some bits and bobs as what they call it. Let's take a look at what the notes say. Number 1, the navigation bar has been collapsed to create more horizontal space. Navigation horizontal space. Yes. So the I think it's the left side here, the navigation bar. It can be collapsible. It can open up to create more horizontal space over here so that you can do a lot more things, right? If you're not using an iMac like me and you want more screen space, that's what it's for. Next, views have been renamed to inboxes, expanded and given a dedicated panel. Where that is this one here, right? So it's given a dedicated panel. You can, it's now called inbox. You can take a look at all messages. If you want to see everyone's messages, is here. If you want to see what is in your inbox, is right here. And those that are still unassigned are here. Then you can of course go inside. Let's say you want to assign this to someone. You just click on assign and then send it to Alta. For example, that person, that contact will disappear from the unassigned inbox folder and move into Alta's folder. Let's see what's next. Next, the status, filter, and priority sorting dropdowns were added to the contact list. So for the contact list, how does that look like? So this is what it looks like. So if you want to see, you can see who is open, right? You can filter by open, closed, snoozed. You can also filter by the newest message. So you can see who is the newest one, who are the newest ones, the oldest messages in the queue, right, in all. Or you can go to the longest open and the shortest open. So for a few of you guys who are power users, you'll know why these are very important to have. Okay, great. So next, new access level options have been added to control what agents see. This is a great one. So if you want to go and see where that is, you can go into settings, and under settings you can take a look at, go to users, and under each user you can click on edit, and then there are access levels, right? So for owner is everything. For a manager, there are some extra restrictions. So restrict data export, restrict contact deletion, restrict access to workspace settings, restrict access to integration settings. So that is new. For an agent, so for agents, you can restrict contact visibility. So anyone in the user's team or only the user can see themselves, right? So there are some extra over there. So let's leave Derek as the owner. Let's take a look at what's next. Now, standard inboxes, the daily drivers for agents. Yes, this is what we do day to day. Let's read here what Alta's written. What hasn't changed? The Mine view, right? Over here, Mine view is now the Mine inbox. Of course, we've changed the name with the additional ability to limit agents' access to just their inbox using agent access level, which I showed to you earlier. This is a godsend for companies whose agents tend to get distracted by other people's inboxes. So this is one way just to access, to give them access to their own. And it is also for some who wants to manage privacy issues. That's great. Next, team inboxes. This is a fantastic one. You can now group different agents into one team, and you can now view all the messages from that specific team, right? The team is the manager's best friend because you can now, if you go, let's go to our messages. So under messages, you can see we have the admin team, we have the billing team, customer success team, the sales team, technical team. So once you group your team members into a specific team, you can open and view all the messages in this specific team. Cool or not, right? That's one great thing. Another thing is you will also be able to now do automation and assign to a team member within a team. That's coming soon. You might be able to do it already if you're, some of you who've gotten the access. So now you can see for the customer success team, there's 5. So this is Silma is handling Lukman. I'm handling Manicor, Silma Kisilao. So it depends on how many team members you have. You can see everyone here in one clear inbox. Next, custom inboxes. This is the power user's dream. So you can now filter and create custom inboxes depending on what you want to have inside that inbox. So you could create custom inboxes for specific team members. You can create custom inboxes for a specific channel or anything that you want based on what is in the filters. So let's say we'll test this out. Okay, test inbox. Save that. And then you can have these filters, right? So context fields based on what channels or tags or last interacted channel. You can also filter based on the assignee. Who is it? The first name, last name, or if they have any of these, right? Is it equal or not equal to a specific tag or something? Okay. And you can add more conditions and or specific category based on channels and so many things. So you can even add a group, right? So add select category. There's so many things that you can do inside here. I can't even start to go through everything, but if you're a power user, this is fantastic, which previously was not available. So let's see what's next. New workflow step, HTTP request. If you are a coder or if you are a little bit more technical, with this HTTP request, you can now trigger things to happen inside the platform from other platforms, right? Previously, it was only something happening in here, then you can do something outside in other platforms. Now you can do it both ways using the HTTP request. It's a little bit technical, but if you are, this opens up a lot of things that you can do. Next will be new workflow step. Add Google Sheets row. That's right, more automation if you're using YesHello with a Google Sheet. So that means you want to update a Google Sheet automatically when something happens inside here. Maybe to update a report or to give in to give info to someone or whatever. You can do that automatically already. How to do that? Please click on this and it will show you how to do it. Next, custom channel integration. Yes. Previously, we had 11. Now we've added another one, 12. It's a custom channel. That means you can have any other channel that is available out there to add into YesHello. So not just these 11, not just Messenger or WhatsApp or Instagram or your web chat. If you have your own specific one that you want to add that is not here using this custom channel, you can do that, right? Finally, some bits and bobs. So it says here, this wouldn't be a YesHello release without bits and bobs. This month, we've got some WhatsApp API pricing changes. I've already updated you in a previous video. So if you want to go take a look at that, I'll also add a link down there on the new WhatsApp API pricing changes. This is from WhatsApp HQ. Next, you can send WhatsApp message templates a quicker way. There'll be just an icon at the bottom of the next to the send message. You can find one there, super easy. Greeting message, away message, and auto assignment deprecation. So that means it's no more going to be there. You won't be able to use it. We will add this inside workflows. So you can create it inside workflows. Next, no more new surveys and automations. So if you previously have surveys and automations, speak to one of our team members and they will help you move it to workflows. It's simpler to do. It's more powerful, more robust. In a couple of months, we are going to take away the surveys and automation. You can build the chatbots and automation inside the workflows. Where is that? You can go over here. These are workflows. Soon, you won't be able to see automation and surveys right there. Okay? Next one, there'll be new dynamic variables. This is if you have many team members, you can insert team member name. You can insert a lot of fancy things. Adding new context on the mobile browser. Yes, when you're on mobile, you can add context. Previously, you cannot. And you have data exports for users. So you can export the users in your team. Okay? And that's it for this update. I try to make it a little bit shorter. If you want more info, go to this website. Go to our website. This article, it will speak to you. It will tell you more in detail about what's happening on each one of these bits and bobs I mentioned. And you can click on through and it will open up our knowledge base to assist you step by step. Okay? So that's it for today. A quick run through of the YesHello feature update for February. My name is Khalif. Hope that you guys are having an awesome February. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.